Welcome to Chip Logic Studio, and in our comment section I have already promised that any comment will come and I will answer which is related to our VLSI. So this is our comment. I have seen this 3 hours ago, so I will answer this comment of our sunflower insan. So let's answer this comment first. We will read it. I really want to know in reality there is job for B.Tech student. Okay, so yeah, there is jobs for B.Tech student. Obviously I have done B.Tech and I am working in our industry without doing M.Tech, obviously. So you can easily get. My friends also done B.Tech, so it is myth that M.Tech only get the job. So I think you have also asked this. Okay, necessary M.Tech is necessary in this. No, not true. But M.Tech will have some advantage is there for M.Tech, obviously, because they have studied 2 years, so they consider 2 years of experience. Secondly, professors also in their college recommend, and some reference they will get from them, so they get easy. They get only 20 to 30,000 more than your B.Tech student, but not more than that. If both M.Tech and B.Tech are fresher, okay. So I haven't seen that much of difference. Take an interview for M.Tech student, and if I have preferred B.Tech students, so I have given chance to B.Tech student. I haven't given chance for M.Tech. So if you have skills which you have already answered, B.Tech student with good skills in this all topics, they will get better chance than M.Tech student. Skills matters in VLSI at fresher level. Like I am considering in this video that M.Tech and B.Tech both are fresher after college, okay, in or for campus, okay. So one different thing is about M.Tech and B.Tech is that mostly product-based companies like Intel, Samsung go for M.Tech college. They didn't come for B.Tech college. That is different thing. But if you go in, you are searching for job in market, then they will not consider that you are B.Tech or M.Tech. Second thing, I mean, many say कि M.Tech के बाद ही jobs है. No, it is not true. It is not true, okay. And any startup will welcome B.Tech. Yeah, startup. I will say that you should work for startup because you will gain more experience. Like 6 months of experience is greater than working in 1.5 or 2 years in product-based company. So startup, always prefer startup for start because you will learn more things. And product based, you will just stuck there for 1 or 2 years, and after you it is difficult to switch. Also you will get comfortable in product based. So product based is good for settlement, okay, for like after 3 or 4 years. After 3 years, I will say after 3 years better work in product based. Okay, so after 3 years better work for product based. Before that, startup is good, so you can consider startup. If you want to go product based, then you have to study hard, because in VLSI you will not get content for your industry level content, okay. So content, and second, another thing is that, third or fourth thing, I don't remember the count, but another thing is that you will get more jobs in VLSI. VLSI has more jobs. VLSI has more jobs as well as vacancies, because work is more.
Hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
Engineers are less and work is more. So they need engineers actually. So I will say it is very good field. If you are considering and you have skills, then you don't have to worry about this thing. Now another question, that what are the jobs, which will be next question or next comment. So I will also answer this. Better to answer early, okay. So first is this question, that jobs are there, this much jobs are there. I will explain this in one moment. Before that, I will answer how much salary we can get. Package, okay, package or salary. So you can multiply your experience into 4. You will get your salary, okay. If you are minimum, okay, minimum experience, or this is for minimum salary, okay. Minimum, because we work in range like 10 to 12 in your IT, and like 20 to 25, this type of range is there na, for 1 year of experience or some years of experience. So this is for minimum range. So for 1 year of experience in VLSI, you will get more than four LPA package, more than 4, and you will get good amount of cash in hand. Okay, less cutting is there. So more than 4. So more than 4 mean how much? Anything 9, 10. The limit is not there. Okay, limit. I'm telling about minimum. For example, another example, if you take 3 years of experience, 3 into 4, 12 minimum. Any condition. If you are less skilled engineer, then also it is true for this. Okay, so this is for minimum, and I have seen this, so you can trust my word. Okay, on this one. Another question you may answer is, where is the job? So architect design is like top level. There 15 or 20 year experience you need for this, and so we will skip this part. RTL design you can get for freshers, and RTL design you need verilog, system verilog, not system verilog that much. If you are in design, then verilog. So this is front end. Okay, up till this design for test, you can say this is front end part. Okay, till this functional verification, this is front end, and this is back end of our VLSI. So architecture 15 to 10 years. You can start with freshers or B.Tech or anything. For now you say B.Tech. You can start B.Tech for this RTL design. Functional verification also you can start with B.Tech, and design for test also for B.Tech. So these two field I will cover in our chip logic studio first, then I will consider other things, because most of the jobs are here, so I will consider these two first. Okay, so front end you can say I will cover in chip logic studio first phase. After I will complete this first phase, then maybe I will go for the second phase. Floor planning also B.Tech, but I will also say that this is front end part, coding part you can join with some coding experience, but after coding experience you want some courses and something for this floor planning, placement. This is synthesis, routing. These jobs are every where is job. Okay, these are all jobs in VLSI, and also everywhere is there openings and good salary. This is minimum, so you can consider that maximum. There is no limit in VLSI. So this is placement also you can get for B.Tech. Clock 3 synthesis, it is part of like these two things, so mostly B.Tech, but you need some experience for this. Routing, physical verification need experience. Static timing analysis, these are all part of one field. Okay, so it is not like this is separate, this is separate. Some of them are also combined, like flooring and placement may combine, clock or this will may combine. I am saying, means someone will do this, one engineer will do one part. Okay, packaging and this post this two you can also enter in B.Tech also. So B.Tech you can enter in any field, but in backend I will say you need some some courses or something after B.Tech. But for this front end, you may understand from a startup company will directly hire the fresher and they will teach you, or otherwise my videos are there, and I promise you that in our VLSI my channel will cover most of the industrial part. Okay, most of them are the teacher. I am working in industry, I will cover mostly industry part. So if you watch my videos, then definitely you will get the job.
Please Lord, give me a sign.